Good morning, you guys. This is day number 3 of being out at the farm, and we've got just a little bit more work to go do. And we spent the night last night. Hurley and Josie are over there playing. You want to come say hi to everybody? They're over there. We bought them brand new sidewalk chalk, and what they've decided to do with it is to take it to a rock and crush it with an old femur bone.
What?
Tell everybody what you're doing.
Smashing my glass.
Smashing what?
The
new chalk we bought you guys?
No, not the chalk. The things that you shoot at, the orange things that are out there.
Oh, the clay pigeons?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, what are you doing, Joe?
Helping Bubba.
Helping him?
Yeah.
Is this a yes cheese or a no cheese day?
We're playing that game. What's doing?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I made my hands dirty.
Your hands are dirty.
Bones gonna get me even dirtier. It's disgusting. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna head across the road over to our land. And we've got just a little bit more work to get done with it. A little bit more debris to get out of the creek. Might try to pull up a couple small cedar trees. And then here in a little bit, Casey and the kids are gonna ride over on the four-wheeler. And then the rest of the day, we're just gonna go have fun. Try to go fishing a little bit. It hadn't rained, so some of the ponds are a little bit clearer. No promises, but we'll see if we can go fishing. So yesterday was a very productive day. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll leave a card up here at the top. But we went and got a piece of pipe, a 30-foot piece of 18-inch pipe for our little road crossing right here. And we put it in. We had to drag it with the Kubota excavator. We had to drag it all the way from the other side where we had it stored to over here. And it worked out great. There's no problems at all, but we got it through. Woo, check it out, look at this. We even got water flowing into the pipe. Ha! That's awesome. So we brought the big tractor, we got a big ag tractor across the street too, and went and just scooped up some dirt. Like the cedar tree pile's got some old dirt and stuff that we just mounded up, so scooped it up, brought it over, filled over the top of it, just so it would cause the water to go through the pipe. But it looks like it's working. So that's awesome. While I was getting the fill dirt, my brother drove the excavator for a long time and did his best to clear out the creek. I've got a little bit more ways to go down there, but he did a really good job. I mean, we've opened this creek up substantially from what it was. So like all of this debris here, all of this debris, and all of that debris, and that stuff there, and that stuff there, and even that stuff over there, all of that was in the creek from when they bulldozed this stuff a long time ago, before anybody ever thought of building a house over here. They just pushed all of this stuff down into the creek to make room for some more open pasture for grass and for the grazing for the cattle. So this has made a lot bigger difference because we've actually got water flowing through here now. So let me show you what we got to do today. So down there, you saw what it looked like, and it's pretty clear all the way up to about right here. It starts to get a little bit more stuff going on, but then bam. So there's all this that needs to be pulled out today, and it goes all the way down into here. So we got a couple hours worth of excavator work to go. I'm gonna set the camera up and get some cool time lapses of, yanking the stuff out. That's always, I love seeing the excavator work like really fast. Gets a real sense of how much work you're actually getting done. And might try to pull out that cedar tree, that live cedar tree as well. So let's get to work. the brakes on the work for a second. Casey just called me and said she's back at the house and she was opening up some popsicles for the kids and she cut her finger. And she said, I'm trying not to panic, so we will see what that means when we get over there. Okay, honey. What did you do?
I cut my finger.
Can I see it?
Yeah. Stop.
Show everybody your cut. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. You gonna keep stomping? I love you, honey. You're gonna be okay. We don't have to amputate.
I think it needs a stitch or anything.
No, it does not. It's not even bleeding anymore.
Mommy's okay.
Was that popsicle worth it? Was your popsicle worth it?
I gotta sit back there as I'm getting lightheaded.
Oh my gosh, she's about to pass out.
This is what daddies are for. Mommy doesn't do this kind of thing.
Was it bad? Was it gushing?
She didn't let me see it.
She didn't let you see it? She didn't even spray blood on you?
You're dripping, you're dripping.
Ew!
You gonna be okay? You just need to sit for a little bit?
Do I need that?
No, you're just
It was
fine.
an old rusty
Your cut's
metal knife.
about this deep.
Where's that Band-Aid at?
You should have seen how fast I came across the road. I thought she like cut her finger off.
Well, I told you it's not that. I said I don't think it's that bad. I said I don't think it's bad. I just need.
Where's the
I
band-aid?
need
Mommy
support.
does not do blood or cuts or things of that nature. She does many things with very good excellence. But blood and cuts is daddy territory.
And teeth.
And teeth? How many teeth have we pulled of yours? Let me see them.
Mama didn't watch.
Look at that. They're all coming back in.
I didn't pull any of those. And I didn't watch either.
She had to leave the room. We even talked about trying to pull one of his...
My other tooth that I lost was in 2019, and I still haven't got another wiggly tooth yet.
The next time you get a wiggly tooth, you know what we ought to pull your tooth with? You know what we ought to pull your tooth with?
What?
The drone.
The drone? How can we do that?
How awesome would that be to tie a string to the drone attached to your mouth and fly off with it?
Oh, look what Josie just did. Look what she has.
You fixing Mommy? Put that Band-Aid on her finger.
It's on the top.
Good job, Joe.
Thank
Good
you,
helper.
Sister.
Say, I love you, Mommy.
Love you, Mommy.
Thank you. Will you
So-
kiss it? Oh, it's sticky.
All right, well, I'm going to go back across the road, finish up. Okay, crisis averted. Now we're going to go head back across the road. I drove really fast over here, so I left the gate open and everything. So let's get back across the road, finish up. We got a spot we're trying to pull some cedar trees out around this big tree. It's one of the biggest trees that's left on the property over there. So let's get over there, pull out those little cedar trees that are around it, and we'll call it a day. Okay, so you can see this big giant tree. I got the drone up circling it as well. But it has probably 15 to 20 cedar trees right under it. So we're just trying to pull some of these out today. I've already got some stacked up, so let's keep going and try to get these trees out of here. What a difference, right? I mean, look at this awesome big old tree. It's got the grapevines going up it and everything. And this is what we took out. Dang. The excavator is great for the cedar tree stuff. That was awesome. Got to pull it out root and all. Just got to come back and smooth this out later. So Casey just called, said she's got lunch ready. So, I mean, there's not a lot that makes me stop working, but food, 100% make me stop working. So let's go eat. It's looking better and better across the street. Every time I come over to this house, I can see more and more over that way, the more we get rid of those trees. But I'm hungry. Let's go see what we got. Smells good. Ooh, barbecue. How is it?
Good.
What's your favorite part? Turkey? Yummy. Okay, so the last thing that we got to do for the day is drive up to the dump, and what are we going to do there?
Throw all the trash away later in the dump.
We throw all of our trash into the dump from this weekend. So we'll get up to the dump and see if these kids can actually throw the trash in the dump.
We know how to throw.
You know how to throw?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. Hey,
No,
you
Dad.
mean a cotton mouth?
Dead cow.
Cotton mouth, okay.
No, I'm not sure about that. Dead cow.
You saw what?
Dead cow with Basil.
A dead cow with Aunt Razzle?
Yeah. Bobby did that big birdie. Where's the trash?
In the back.
Trash.
All right, throw it out. Good job. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Big throw. Boom. That's pretty good. What happens when the dump gets full? What do we do?
Shoot them.
You shoot it?
Yeah.
How does that do anything? We burn it, remember?
Burn it? Oh. And we shoot them too.
Yeah, I shoot stuff like that washer. What do you think, Joe?
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yeah.
Well, let's get back in the car and go back. All right. All I gotta do is get the rest of the house packed up, everything put away, and then head back to the city because we got some barbecue to eat that Pop Pop's been smoking. Hopefully I can get there in time for the big reveal, pulling it out of the smoker for the last time. It's been a really fun weekend, and I'm super happy that I got all that stuff done over on our land that we got done and thank you to GP Rents. I mean, without that, none of it would have gotten done. It would have been chainsaws and shovels and impossibilities. That's all it would have been. So let's get this stuff put away so we can get back and eat some barbecue.
I got baked potatoes right here. It's like mashed potatoes though. I got stuff for you to put cheese on.
Doesn't look like Pop Pop's barbecue.
But it's not bad. It's barbecue beans. Wait a minute.
And this is egg salad.
Oh my.
You should call it whipped egg
Those are
salad.
on.
So the moral to this story is that you win some and you lose some.
It's like boiled eggs.
And some things stall in the smoker.
Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night we'll have a pork butt. I'll go give. Tonight we got Church's fried chicken though, which is also really good. Is it okay if I go give them a sneak peek?
Oh yeah.
A little sneak peek action. So we got back and the pork butt stalls, and sometimes that happens. So we'll eat it tomorrow and it'll be even better. But we do have fried chicken. We do have all the baked beans. The baked beans are phenomenal. because the baked beans sit under the pork butt as it cooks, so all the drippings, oh, they're so good. Let's get a little sneak peek here at this. Oh my, fogging the lens up. It's going good. Shut that door back. Let me take you inside and give you a look at the beans. Oh yeah. Those have just got all the drippings. We got salted baked potatoes, homemade egg salad, this fried chicken that they've slaved on all day long.
It was so hard to make.
Okay guys, it's been a fun day. We're gonna sit here and eat our dinner now. Gonna say hi to Tank, everybody. We're all gonna eat some food, enjoy our quarantine a little bit here. It's gonna be good times. So if you haven't done already, subscribe to the channel, give this video a what?
Thumbs up.
A what?
Thumbs up.
And we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Josie, can you say cheese? Say cheese.
No.
Say cheese.
No.
No cheese?
No.